Hi, my name is Catherine, also known as the Tiger Shark Mermaid, and in today's video I'm going to be going over one of the many questions that I received through Facebook and Instagram regarding my Shello Mermaid tails. So currently I have two Shello Mermaid tails. One is the Great White Shark Tail, which is a design that's already been posted on the website, whereas my other tail is a custom design based on my persona, which is a realistic tiger shark tail. Now before I get into this video even further, I just want to mention that I am going to be answering each and every single one of the questions that I did receive through Instagram and Facebook, but I'm going to do it in a very organized fashion. What I mean by this is I am actually going to make a separate video for every single question. This will not only allow you guys to find the answers that you need, looking for like any answers on Shello Mermaid, but also make it very organized and so that you guys do not have to watch a 20-minute video and skip through to find those answers that you are particularly looking for. So I made it easier on you and made it easier for me as well. So let's jump right into the video. So to start off, Shello Mermaid is a company that makes a lot of variety of tails, specifically fabric tails. Now these fabric tails are made out of scuba knit fabric and have a vinyl casing inside the fluke portion of the tail where you can insert a monofin, and they do have specific monofins that they require you to use, and this is just because some monofins may not fit inside the vinyl, so I will leave a link in the description below if you want to check out which monofins are available for these tails. So with these tails you can get a wide variety of customization. What this means is you can not only just customize the color, design, and patterns, but you can also customize the fins and the dorsal fins and the fluke shape. So most mermaid companies or companies that produce fabric tails have maybe a couple fluke designs available, and you choose from those fluke designs and then you base your coloration and designs and patterns on that shape. Now the one cool thing about Shello Mermaid is you can actually customize the shape of those fins and flukes, which makes Shello Mermaid a very unique company within the mermaid industry. So to order a custom tail, I'm actually going to start with looking at the website. So when you go onto the main page and scroll down just a little bit, you will see a kind of a teal square that says Custom Design Mermaid Tails. And right under it you will see the ordering process where it says simply choose your shape and size, then after checkout Kristie will contact you directly to begin your design. So then when you click on the Get Started button, which is the big red button, and you scroll down, you will see some of the fluke design options. Now if you are going to choose one of these fluke design options, I would recommend continually following the steps for this section. But if you want a full custom design tail, so custom design fluke, custom design fins and everything, and custom design shape, I would not recommend following these steps. I would recommend following the steps that I'm going to give out, because those are the steps that I did when I ordered my Tiger Shark Mermaid tail, because that fluke shape was not available. So if you are interested in getting a complete new design, unlike any of the other designs on the website, I'm going to give you the steps right now, right here. So step number one is you're going to make sure that you know what you want. So for me, I wanted a realistic tiger shark tail, and that was what I decided to look up. I looked up different photos of the tiger stripes and the designs that I wanted and compiled kind of my overall idea into a little thing, so that when I do contact Shello Mermaid, that I have a good understanding of what design that I'm wanting. That way that I can describe it to her so that she can design it and make sure that it is the correct design that I am looking for. So step two, once you actually finalize your design and know what you want, your next step is going to be to email her. Now you can either email her, contact her on Facebook Messenger, or send her a message through Instagram. Those are the top 3 ways to reach her. She does respond really fast, within a day or a couple hours, so you will need to check your messages constantly to see when she responds. Now, during this whole conversation with her, what you are going to do is you're going to explain that you want to order a custom tail design. And she's going to ask you, like, what design do you want or what design do you desire, and you can just fill her in on the type of design or ideas that you want for your custom design tail. After you guys converse with each other for a little bit, she's going to next draw out a digital design for you. Now, this is the point when she sends you that digital design, you're able to look over the design and finalize it. So any changes that you want to make at this point to the tail, or if you don't like something about it or you really love it, this is the point in time where you need to finalize that design, because the next step is she is going to print out that design on a tail and sew it all up for you and get it ready to ship for you. So you want to make sure that at that step you know exactly what you want. So on top of that information, also just to let you know, one bonus about these custom tails is that they can be customizedly sized to you. So like she has the basic regular size like X small, small, medium, large, and yada yada yada. Well, if one of those sizes doesn't fit you exactly, she can alter the size at no charge for you guys. So for example, if you wear a size medium like me and your waist is just a little bit smaller than the medium size, she can actually cinch that up for you at no charge. Just let her know ahead of time before, kind of like around the time where you submit your official design or you finalize the design would be my best recommendation. So after you have finalized your design and you're all ready to go and you've given her all the details about your sizing and your skin tones as well, because there is a color shading kind of fade that she offers for these tails, your next step is going to be she's going to go over the cost of your tail with you. So base model tails, like the ones that you saw on the intro page when you click on get started, are going to cost around $840. Now, if you want a custom design, like not custom design, but a custom shape, that means that for mine was a custom shape, or if you want a dolphin fluke, or if you want like a sea dragon or something different that she does not offer in her base model shapes, it is going to be an extra charge. So from my messages with her, the extra charge came out to be
Okay, so I just want to make a quick disclaimer that they usually charge $150 for a full custom tail, but because my tail was more of a color change and possibly a slight fin change, I was only charged $75, but usually it is $150 for a full customized tail.
$150 for a full customized design and shape. So in total, if you get a full customized design and customized shape, it is going to cost you around $990 US. So the next step is the waiting step. Is after you have paid your invoice and your order is already being processed, it is the waiting game, which is the hardest part of anybody who has ordered a mermaid tail. This is like the hardest part. But you are free to ask for updates, and she can update you on the tail process, and she usually does update you on the tail process. Like when your tail is finally made, she will send you pictures of your tail at the end of the process. She will also let you know when your tail ships and send you a shipping invoice.
So on the Shello Mermaid website, it does say that production for these custom tails can take up to 12 weeks before it ships. Specifically mine, I ordered it, or I paid the invoice on October 18th, 2020, and my tail didn't ship till January 2nd, 2021. That was because I was moving, so for me it did take a little longer because I did tell her to withhold shipping the tail until I actually moved into my new place. But I did receive my tail within 11 weeks, which is within the range of the 12-week shipment period.
So that is the whole entire process of ordering a custom design tail by Shello Mermaid. Now, if you have any further questions about custom orders or something that I did not cover within this video, you are free to leave in the comments and I will try to answer in a timely manner.
Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope that the next video I will be answering one of the other questions that I received on Facebook and Instagram. Till then, I'll see you guys later.